Mixed markets to start the week this week as we're looking at a weaker big three with a little bit stronger of a Russell after Friday's rally. The Russell up a little bit less than 1/3%, but then when you go to the Dow, it's down about 1/4%. The S&P down about 1/3%, and the Nasdaq down about 0.5%. Yields are slightly lower across the curve, lower in the short end than they are on the long end, so a little bit of curve steepening. That's a good thing for financials, but overall, the curve hasn't really moved and equities haven't moved that much considering the volatility that we've seen over the last few weeks. Lockdowns are hitting China. Their data keeps getting worse and worse, and it looks like it's starting to weaken the commodity markets overall as this global recession story starts to gain hold. We're not seeing any recessions anywhere as of yet, but with the slowdowns we're seeing in the Chinese data, it looks like that particular narrative is starting to take hold, especially in the commodity space. Now, looking ahead, not much in the way of data today. President Biden is meeting with the Greek Prime Minister, but I don't expect much to come out of that particular meeting. Earnings today after the close, we do have Take-Two Interactive. Tomorrow before the open, we get earnings from Walmart and Home Depot. Those will matter for the industrial indices, and then the retail sales data coming out tomorrow. So speaking of economic data, tonight, a little bit after midnight Eastern time, we get Japan's tertiary index. Then in the morning, we get the UK employment data and we get Euro GDP. Then in the US, I mentioned retail sales, that comes out in the morning, along with industrial production and some Fed speakers throughout the day tomorrow. We've got St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker, Fed Chair Jerome Powell, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans, and then from the ECB, we've got the President of the European Central Bank, Christine Lagarde, all speaking tomorrow.